Let's use implicit differentiation to take the derivative of x squared minus 5x times y equals 39. It's called implicit because x's and y's are on one side by themselves, but otherwise it's pretty similar to taking a regular derivative. We want to keep in mind that we have negative 5x times y. So I need to split that up and make a product rule. Derivative of the first times the original second plus the derivative of the second times the original first. So we're going to use the product rule here because we have two variables multiplied together. So we're going to do the derivative of the first, derivative of negative 5x, and then we're also going to have to take the derivative of the second, derivative of 1y. Keep in mind that we will only put a dy dx if we've actually taken the derivative of a y term. So we're going to start this derivative as usual. We're just going to take the derivative of x squared. Derivative of x squared has always been 2x. That's nothing new. And now product rule. Derivative of the first. Derivative of negative 5x is just negative 5. Nothing new there. We did not take the derivative of y term, so we do not put a dy dx on it. So derivative of the first is negative 5 times the original second is a y. Product is always plus. I'm going to do the derivative of the second term. Derivative of 1y is 1, and it needs a dy dx. Since you took the derivative of y term, I'm going to put it at the end, though. So derivative of 1y is 1 dy dx times the original first is negative 5x equals, don't forget to take the derivative of the other side, derivative of 39 is 0. So I'm going to take a second and rewrite this. We have 2x minus 5y, and then we have 1 times negative 5x. So anytime there's a negative in there, I try to multiply those coefficients together, get the correct sign on it. We really have negative 5x dy dx. And now I want to solve for dy dx, so I need to get it on one side by itself. For this one, I might just move it to the right. That way I only have to move one term. So if I want dy dx on the right, that means I can keep 2x on the left. Do I keep or move the negative 5y? Well, it doesn't have a dy dx, so I'm going to keep it as negative 5y. And then I just have to move this term by adding it over to cancel out with that subtraction. So I'm going to add over 5x dy dx. So I get 2x minus 5y equals 5x dy dx. And now I want to get dy dx by itself. Right now it's not by itself because it's multiplied by 5x. So I'll divide both sides. Division will get rid of that multiplication. And we will get dy dx, our derivative on one side by itself, is going to be 2x minus 5y divided by 5x. There's our derivative of y with respect